Most robot vacuums just push dirty water around. This one actually cleans itself every single time. Hey guys, it's Renz, and this video is made possible by Dreame, who sent over the new Aqua 10 Ultra roller for me to test out. I've used a lot of robot vacuums over the years, and this one might just be my favorite. It's a vacuum that resets itself after every use. It always uses fresh water, a freshly washed roller, and never leaving that nasty damp smell behind. So in this video, I want to show you guys how this vacuum can upgrade your daily life. Let's get right into it. So this is the new Dreame Aqua 10 Ultra roller, and it already feels like a flagship product right out of the gate. Packaging is super clean and minimal. Inside you get the robot itself, power dock base station, detergent bottles, and a few accessories neatly organized. Dreame clearly put thought into the presentation. Now when I lifted the Aqua 10 out of the box, the first thing you notice is the build quality. It's solid, premium, and surprisingly heavy for a robot vacuum, which actually helps it apply more pressure while cleaning. I also love the clean white minimal look. It just looks super premium. Now setting it up is straightforward. I placed the dock along the wall in my living room, plugged it in, and then after you fill up the detergent tank, which is conveniently labeled. Once that's done, place your robot in the station, connect it to your DreameHome App, and that basically just walks you through everything step by step. At this point, it actually updates the dock and your Aqua 10. Now the first time you power it on, the Aqua 10 instantly starts mapping your home. It uses its Omnisite 2.0 AI navigation system, which combines stereo cameras and a retractable LiDAR sensor. This LiDAR sensor is extremely cool. It scans the space in about 10 minutes, building a super detailed map right inside the app. You can also fine-tune the map, maybe rename some of the sections in your home, and you're pretty much set. What's great is that your Aqua 10 over time will get better at recognizing your home. Now what really impressed me is that it can recognize up to 240 different obstacles, from cables, chair legs, to socks, or even bags. You can actually see it adjust in real time, and you can even get like a live feed on your phone, which is pretty cool. There's also this feature called Pro Leap Obstacle Crossing, which lets it climb thresholds and rugs up to 8 centimeters high. The retractable chassis lifts itself automatically, so it never drags or gets stuck even around uneven flooring. Now as for the dock, it's been completely redesigned. Dreame calls it the dual solution power dock, and it does a lot more than just charge the robot. It automatically empties the dustbin, refills the clean water, and drains the dirty water back into the base. And my favorite small detail is the auto drying dust bag. After each run, it uses hot air to dry out the bag and prevents that musty smell most docks get over time. Now once you set everything up, the Aqua 10 pretty much runs itself. That's the beauty of Dreame's always fresh approach. This machine itself is fresh, ready, and effortless every single time. Now speaking of always fresh tech, this is where the Aqua 10 really separates itself. Let's start with the roller. This is Dreame's brand new Aqua Roll mopping system. So instead of spinning pads that slowly get dirtier as they go, this roller is constantly rinsed with clean water while it's running. It means every section of your floor is cleaned with fresh water and not recycled grime. That was actually my wife's pet peeve with our old robot vacuum, because it kind of just spreads dirty mop water all around our home. And after a while, the mop started to smell, and the Aqua 10 is just noticeably better. And that's also paired with Fluff Roll Tech, which fluffs and lifts the mop fibers in real time so they stay soft and effective instead of clumping up mid-clean. The result is floors that actually look and feel freshly mopped, not streaked. And then you have one of my favorite features, which they call the auto seal roller guard. So basically when the Aqua 10 rolls over a carpet or rug, it automatically seals the roller so it doesn't get anything wet. This is a feature that's incredibly useful. You don't have to set up virtual no mop zones or babysit it, it just knows. And then after it's done cleaning, the Thermo Hub self-cleaning system kicks in. So what that basically means is that the robot, when it returns to the dock, the station uses 100 degrees Celsius boiling water to completely wash and sterilize the roller. So it's not just rinsing, it's actually deep cleaning. Then it finishes with a 70-degree hot air drying cycle that prevents odor and bacteria buildup. So again, the next time it runs, it's completely fresh. You never have to touch dirty water or worry about smelly rollers again. And honestly, that's what makes this feel like the next generation of robot vacuums. So like how we talked about before, it uses the Omnisite 2.0 AI navigation system, which combines stereo cameras, 3D sensors, and the really cool retractable LiDAR sensor to map and understand your space. And then it can recognize a ton of different objects, and it doesn't just dodge them, it actually learns how to move around them more efficiently every time it cleans. This is especially useful in my office when I have like a desk, chairs, tripods laying around. Another cool feature that it has is the stereo edge precision detection, which helps it clean right up to the edges and corners, something a lot of robot vacuums actually struggle with. Now all of this is powered by an upgraded AI chipset that helps it make decisions faster and avoid getting stuck. So yeah, it's just super simple. I just hit start on the DreameHome app before I make my coffee or get ready for the gym. And by the time I'm done, my floors already look brand new and clean. Also, when it comes to vacuuming, it does a pretty good job as well. It has a 30,000 PA Vormax suction power, which is really good at picking up quick messes. Now they also have a feature called the Hyperstream Detangling Duo Brush. Hair never builds up even in longer strands. Now I don't have pets, but everyday dust and debris still add up, and this thing picks up everything. Now over the last week I realized I stopped doing manual cleaning entirely. I used to mop once or twice a week, but now the Aqua 10 handles it better and keeps the space consistently spotless. The DreameHome app is really where everything comes together. It gives you full control over how the Aqua 10 cleans, from quick spot runs to full deep cleans, and the level of customization here is kind of crazy. You can create room by room cleaning schedules, adjust suction and mopping intensity, or tell it to focus on specific areas like the kitchen after cooking. There's also AI powered mapping, so just after one scan you get a detailed layout of your home that you can edit directly, rename rooms, set zones, or drop virtual walls with the tap. For people who love automation, it supports Matter protocol, which means it integrates with your smart home ecosystem. What I also like is the level of detail in the app feedback. It tells you when it's washing the roller, drying it, emptying the dustbin, basically everything that's happening in real time. And the smart notifications actually make sense. It will remind you to refill clean water or replace the dust bag only when it's necessary. It's small stuff like that that makes the whole experience feel really polished. The Aqua 10 Ultra Roller is definitely one of the most advanced vacuums I've ever used, and like any high-end piece of tech, there are a few things to keep in mind to get the best results. Now because it's built with a full docking system and self-cleaning technology, you'll want to give it a little space to do its thing. Now of course it's still surprisingly compact for everything it packs inside, but having an open spot in your living area helps it run more efficiently. After each clean, it automatically washes and dries the roller, which does take a few minutes, but that's what ensures it stays completely hygienic and fresh for the next use. And while it handles carpets, thresholds, and rugs beautifully, when it cleans hardwood floors, that's where you really see the dreamy shine, that spotless finish, and that just mopped feel. So after using it for some time, I think Dreame really nailed what a next-gen cleaning system should feel like. The Aqua 10 roller isn't just about power or convenience, it's just about keeping everything fresh. The whole experience, the clean design, the smart navigation, the self-maintaining system, it all works together in a way that feels effortless. So that's pretty much it. That is my review of the Dreame Aqua 10 Ultra Roller. Now if you want to check it out, you can find all the links and details down below. And if you want to see more content like this one, give this video a like and consider subscribing to the channel. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.